I haven't done one of these videos in a while. It's been more than a year now, so I thought I'd update the video I made quite a while back and just give you guys a better tutorial on how to make police ELS inside Roblox Studio. So, first thing you want to get started off with is you're going to want to have a light bar inside of your car, a model called light bar, exactly like that. And then you're going to want to find like any police vehicle. It really doesn't matter as long as it has a siren control inside of it. Open it, drive seat, siren control, and pick up. Put those inside the drive seat of your car. And then as well, go into the body of the car you insert. Find the middle of right here. So you're gonna want all these things. This is what has your police sirens in it. All that. So then you're gonna wanna put that inside your light bar as well. You're also gonna want to grab the remotes if it has it. It might just be like one or two remotes. So just grab the remotes folder and put it inside your light bar. You know what? No. Let's find a more simple car. Cars like those are really hard to set up. So what you're gonna want to look for is you're gonna want to try to see if the car inside the light bar, which this one doesn't have it. We'll look at this one. Drive seat, siren control, and then light bar. See, it says on, and it has a remote of it. So you're gonna want to grab all that stuff. And it does matter that you replace the siren control if it's not for the current vehicle you have. So after that, you're gonna want to go into your light bar. So you have an on right here. This is just the stage of your police car. You're gonna want to insert a script called nah, fuck that. We're actually gonna don't worry about the script. Just there should be a script called strobes in the light bar of that car. You're also gonna want that. So there you go. It controls all the stages and stuff. So when you press J, it's gonna send a event to this thing right here. It's called a remote event. And what that'll do is it'll send a remote event to this script, and that script will handle changing this value to 1, 2, or 3. And then when it's 3, it'll change it to 0. Alright, so the fun part, I'll leave a lighting pack in the description if anyone needs it. I have a really good one. So it has everything that you really need inside of a police car, mostly. So I think for our car, we're just gonna do a simple one of these light bars. So inside your, if whatever you want for your light bars and stuff, just name it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter unless you're using it for something. So I'm gonna use this light bar. Once again, the pack will be in the description for these light bars. So I'm just gonna put it in the right place. There we go. Let's move it over a tiny bit. There we go. Alright, so now that you have your light bar set up, whenever you get that set up, you're gonna insert a part into the light bar. You're gonna have to name all these different things so the scripts don't break when you're trying to use them. So I'm just gonna name this L1 for light bar 1 because it's gonna be the first one inside our light bar. So I'm gonna make it neon and terracotta, and I'm gonna move it up here. So I'm just gonna work on making this all in the right spot real quick. So this on the side will be the first, you're just going to want to put this as the first part in your light bar. If you want to make it easy for yourself, I just name them with numbers going left or right, but it doesn't really matter. As long as you remember what they're named. So this will be L2. This will be L3. And then I'll have L4 right here. L4. Hold on. Alright, so that'll be L4. Grab another one of these, put it right there. Gotta make it medium blue. Or no, hold on, I'll grab a better color real quick. Alright, so then we're gonna name this L5, L6, and also I'm just gonna show you guys the process of doing one script inside of a light bar. Everything past that is pretty much just doing the same thing over and over again. It's the same process, just putting different parts in different places. Once you get it, once you learn it, it's not that complicated at all. Alright, so this is gonna be the last one, L7. We're gonna add a script. Call it whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna call mine front light bar ELS. Alright, so then in your header script you want to do while true do if if script dot parent dot on dot value equals 1, then, and this is going to be your first stage, so if you want you can just make a note saying first stage or something like that. And then this is the part where you're going to have your ELS code. Everything, make as much lines as you want as long as it doesn't go over this part, and you can just work on your pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to script.parent.r L4. I'm going to work on a really quick and simple pattern. So this will be the first stage, and I'll do all 3 stages just to simplify it for everyone, because it's not just adding the if value over and over again. So here's what the first stage is going to look like for me. These lights won't be on. Hold on, let me fix that. What you can do for your first stage is, what I would do is I'd just turn off every other light unless you have a different kind of pattern. So there you go. And then you can just commit your script if you have it in Team Create. I don't know if that's only in Team Create. But there you have it. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. Make sure they are transparent so you don't see them. Don't be like me. Let me commit the script again. So then there's my stage 3. I mean, oh my god, stage 1 lighting. I don't know why those aren't turning off. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Alright, so then we're gonna make this issue. So after your last line of the ELS, put it else, and then if script.parent dot on dot value equals 2, then, and you can also leave a note for yourself if you want, second stage. So then this is gonna be your, it's gonna be your second stage, you know, obviously. So you can just work on your code. Sorry if you can hear my keyboard as well. And then the last part of it. Usually our ELS codes be a lot longer than this, but I just want to keep the video relatively short on what I'm doing. Oh god. Make sure you change it to, or what you can actually do is just get in the car and press J, I believe, if this works. Oh, of course not. Go to your on script, second stage, make sure you commit your script. So then there's my second stage. It's not that high quality, but you know, I do better when I don't have to rush through it. Alright, so now you're gonna want to do the same thing you did for the second script, else if script.parent.on.value equals 3, then and make sure if you want you can just label it, doesn't matter. And then this is gonna be the third stage, so oh god, I messed that up. And once again, when you're first learning it, it really won't be this easy to learn because it takes a long time to actually get all of it, but it's really fun learning it, and you can actually make money off of it, so it's pretty cool. I've made over 50,000 Robux this year just selling my ELS and stuff, so definitely a good idea if you want to make money and shit. Oh no, demonetized. So once again, you can just really make your own patterns if you want. It doesn't really matter that much. But if you want to learn, just make your own patterns and stuff. If you know how. If you don't know how, I'll probably leave a Discord server in the description. I don't know if this video is going to take off like my first one did. But if you need help with anything, you can watch my first video. Yeah, or you can join my Discord server, which hopefully I make it. I don't forget about it. My Discord server, I'll probably have a way to contact me, like video suggestions, If you want to buy any of my products and stuff, you can there. I'll leave a photo of some of them. Alright, so I think my third stage is done. Let me change it to stage 3. And once again, your pattern script will probably work. Mine does not, because I'm using a free model car. So it's not a bad pattern, but hold on, I can change something. There's always stuff you can change inside ELS. You can always make it look better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy and paste that to get there. And then I'm gonna get the first pattern. And then we're gonna put them back right there. I think that'll look good, hopefully. So that's a pretty cool, like, lighting thing, and it'll work when you're driving. If you would make sure you put in the car body, it'll drive. Sorry for the noise. So I'll show you, like, once you get good at developing and stuff. This is a car I spent like half an hour on. It looks really nice, so I'll show you guys it real quick. This is also selling soon. Once I get my pod license back, because I won't fucking give it to me. But if you want to make stuff like this, which in my opinion, this car looks amazing because of all the lights and it's blue, and it's a Camaro. So. Hopefully this video's out in like the next 2 hours or so. Thank you guys for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this, because I haven't really been making videos for a whole year, because I just haven't been that motivated. So, thanks for watching the video, and hopefully I don't forget to make stuff.